going to show you how to set up a Face ID password on your Samsung Galaxy A54. First thing is go to your settings. You can swipe up in the middle screen like that and look for settings. From here, go to security and privacy. So keep scrolling down. Security and privacy right there. Let's tap on that. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and then we're going to tap on biometrics. Tap on that right there, and Face ID or face recognition is right on top. So let's go ahead and tap on that right there. Now, if you didn't make a PIN, password, or pattern, it's going to ask you to make it now. Okay, I already made mine, so let me input my PIN now. Then I'm going to tap on continue. And now here we go. We're going to start it right now. Tap on continue right there. Put your face in that circle. Super quick, already done. And you can see the settings here. Even the face unlock is toggled on as well. So now when I go ahead and lock my phone, so my phone's locked. So if I'm not looking at my phone, I swipe up, that'll come up. But then if I put my face in it, it'll go in as well, okay? Or I can just go ahead and have it locked and like look at it directly. As soon as I swipe up, it'll get me in as well. Good luck.